My Last Farewell by Jose Rizal. Farewell, my adored land, region of the sun caressed, pearl of the Orient Sea, our Eden lost. With gladness I give you my life, sad and repressed. And were it more brilliant, more fresh, and at its best, I would still give it you for your welfare at most. On the fields of battle, in the fury of fight, others give you their lives without pain or hesitancy. The place does not matter. Cypress, laurel, lily white, scaffold, open field, conflict or martyrdom site. It is the same if I ask by home and country. I die as I see things on the sky begins to show, and at last announce the day after a gloomy night. If you need a hue to dye your matutinal glow, pour my blood, and at the right moment spread it so, and glide it with the reflection of your nascent light. My dreams when scarcely lad, adolescent. My dreams when already a youth, full of vigor to attain, were to see you, gem of the sea of the Orient, your dark eyes dry, smooth brow held to a high plane, without frown, without wrinkles, and shame without stain. This is my interpretation of this first stanza. First, it opens goodbye, and Rizal expresses no regret but only gladness, knowing that it's giving his life. He is giving his country the greatest gift any citizen could offer. And the second stanza says that it does not matter where one dies, but why one dies and to what purpose. All that holds the same honor if given to the home and country. And the third stanza, Rizal's execution was set at the sunrise. Thus, the meaning of the first and second line. He employs the visual sense of his poetic use of color, and then, in the succeeding lines, adds the bright red tint of his blood to the scene, and leads it with the golden sunlight. The use of these devices ignites passion in the reader without even explicit use of words signifying emotion. And the fourth stanza is, since his childhood even as other children dreams of his childish things, Rizal dream of seeing his country free, esteemed and with head held high.